Protecting your garage floor doesn't just keep things clean, it also extends the life of your surface, prevents costly repairs, and upgrades the overall look of your space. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 garage floor mats on Amazon that offer a combination of protection, durability, and ease of use for every type of garage setup. First on our list is the DRYMATE Premium Oil Spill Garage Floor Mat, a lightweight and highly absorbent option perfect for anyone dealing with frequent oil drips, water puddles, or snowmelt under their vehicle. Made in the USA, this mat features a soft fabric top layer that absorbs fluids quickly, paired with a waterproof slip-resistant backing that prevents leaks from soaking into the floor. It's especially effective for single vehicle coverage and is available in multiple sizes. Users love how easy it is to trim and wash, making it a great reusable solution for seasonal use. For those with leaky engines or who want basic protection at an affordable price, the DRYMATE mat delivers a solid balance of performance and convenience. Next up is the Armor All Original Garage Floor Mat, which offers full coverage protection for larger garage bays. This 17 by 7.4 foot mat is ideal for homeowners looking to cover the entire parking area under their car, SUV, or truck. It's constructed from absorbent felt material with a waterproof bonded backing to trap liquids, snow, and road salt before they can damage concrete or epoxy floors. The charcoal gray color hides dirt well and maintains a clean appearance even in high traffic areas. One standout feature is how easily it lays flat right out of the box, requiring minimal installation effort. Users have also noted that it's easy to clean and roll up for storage when not in use. If you're looking for wide surface coverage that handles all 4 seasons, Armor All's mat is a top contender. Coming in at number 3 is the TUFFIOM 7.5 by 17 foot PVC garage flooring roll, which is ideal for those who want a tough, commercial-style solution for protecting against heavy vehicles and equipment. This mat is made from thick coin-pattern PVC material, giving it superior traction and resistance to oil, battery acid, and other chemicals. Unlike fabric mats, this one doesn't absorb fluids. Instead, it provides a non-porous barrier that's easy to clean with a hose or mop. It lies flat and stays put, though installation may require 2 people due to its weight. The TUFFIOM mat is a great option for larger garages, car lifts, or workshop areas where durability and chemical resistance are priorities. Fourth on our list is the G-Floor Coin Tread Garage Mat Roll, a premium product made from 100% solid polyvinyl that's built for commercial and residential use alike. With its textured coin tread surface, it offers excellent traction while enhancing the aesthetic of your garage with a clean, professional look. This mat comes in multiple sizes and lengths to accommodate different garage layouts, and it's thick enough to withstand rolling tool chests, floor jacks, and frequent vehicle traffic. While it ships rolled up, users say it flattens out quickly and maintains its shape over time. If you want a long-term floor covering that combines style, safety, and performance, G-Floor's mat is an investment worth making. Finally, we have the Seal 5 by 8 foot commercial-grade garage floor mat, designed for high durability use in workshops, commercial garages, or high-traffic areas. This mat features a robust 2.8 mm vinyl construction that resists tearing, cracking, and wear from constant use. It's a smaller footprint than some of the larger rollouts, making it perfect for workstations or spot protection, under engines, lawn equipment, or motorcycles. Despite its smaller size, it's highly versatile and can easily be repositioned or moved for cleaning. Customers appreciate its weight, which keeps it firmly in place, and its textured surface, which adds a bit of slip resistance. For targeted protection in heavy-use environments, Seal offers a mat that's built to last. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more trusted product reviews and smart solutions for your garage and workshop upgrades.